Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm taking my twin detonator out for a run. Well, actually kind of the first run after I rebuilt it into a four-wheel drive, or made the twin detonator. Finally got the ESC so I can take it out for a try. Unfortunately I don't think the battery is fully charged, but let's just have a look and see how it goes. Yeah, so there you saw, no, actually no speed. I'm having two 550 motors in it, running on 18 pinions, and a 2-cell LiPo that was not fully charged, so should be more speed of this in this one. I really like the suspension actually. Found I liked that it was so soft, so that was cool. I guess I just have to charge the battery and make a new video another time. I also want to try to run it on 3S just to see how it goes. So yeah, I think that's it. So if you want to see how this one goes on a fully charged battery or on 3S, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get an update the next time I release a video. And until then, just take care, have fun and stay safe.